Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Miriam. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the Look for Less challenge. The Look for Less challenge is being hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host for the month is Natalie. I'll have the link to both of their channels in the description box below. So there's a playlist that goes with the challenge as well, because there's multiple people that are participating, so I'll have the playlist in my description box as well if you want to see what everyone else created. For those of you who don't know what the Look for Less is, the Look for Less challenge is basically recreating high-end decor for a lot less. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is recreating this topiary plant that I saw on wayfair.com. They're asking for $63.98, $64 for this plant, and I'm basically going to make it for a lot less than what they're asking for, because I got most of my stuff from Dollar Store. I got the plant pot from Dollar Store. The sticks I'm going to be using are $3.99 because I got it from my backyard for free. I got the fake grass from Dollar Store as well. I bought 3 packs, but I don't know if I'm going to be using all 3, so we'll see how much I use. So that's why I'm not going to give you guys a price of how much my DIY is right now, because I'm not sure how many of the grass packs I will use. So let's see how it goes. So I got this from Dollar Store. This is the pot I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to use this paint. This I already had in my home from previous projects, and I also already had this. I had it in a pack. Okay, so really all I had to pay for was this. So I'm gonna start by painting. I'm gonna paint my pot to get it to that look. To make the top of the topiary, I'm going to be using this foam ball that I got from Walmart, and this foam ball was actually $13, if I can get this to focus, 47. It's the most expensive one. These from Dollar Tree. These floral moss. I got 3 of them. I'm going to be attaching it using my hot glue gun that I already had. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab a couple. I'm going to just hold it on my feet, on my toes. Just put glue all over. And I'm just going to attach the moss to it, like so. I'm going to just attach the moss. So, attach the moss to it. Looking like after I got all of the stuff in there. So what I'm gonna do now is my pot is drying. to hot glue my foam in here at the bottom of it. So a dollar store. I got these three sticks from outside for free in my yard. So I'm just gonna stick them in here. So if you guys are gonna do this project, I will actually recommend that you stick the sticks inside of the foam head first, and then place it into the pot, because what happened to me is I stuck the sticks in the pot, and then when I tried to place it in the foam head, it was very difficult. I had to, reposition the foam head and move the sticks around periodically, and so it was just difficult. So I definitely recommend that you place the sticks inside of the foam head of the plant first and then stick them into the pot. It'll work out a lot easier for you. So after several minutes of repositioning the foam, I finally got the stick to stay inside of the foam head. And I then moved on to placing a whole bunch of plastic bags inside the flower pot, just to make it full and um, to make the plant a little bit more sturdy. I also placed a little bit of like my son's old toys in there to just secure the plant and make sure that it doesn't move. So right now you just see me stuffing that pot with a whole bunch of plastic bags, and you can use anything that you want to stuff it in there. I then moved on and opened the second bag of the fake grass that I'm going to be using to place at the bottom of the pot holder, and that's basically going to appear as if this is real grass and it's growing out of the plant pot. And here is my finished product. I think this project actually came out very nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And here is a side-by-side picture of the plants. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much again.